Are you posting your listings on Craigslist? How about Facebook? I want to show you how easy this is to do. Let's jump in and take a look. What I have here is I have listings, I have company listings, and these are all of the company listings for eXp Realty in the Sacramento market. You scroll down and let's find a good one that we want to post. How about this one? We have one in Wilton for $1.6 million. Boy, I'd love to sell $1.6 million property. We click on that, it takes us into this back office look at that listing. And what we're going to do is we go under this More Actions tab and you go down to Post to Craigslist. All of this is automated. I'm not doing anything. So just like that, it's pulled all of the information into Craigslist and you're literally ready to post this thing. Within there, it has my contact information and I can post this to Craigslist right now. I'm not going to, I'm just showing you an example. Let's go and look at Facebook. Let's post it to Facebook. Right there. Now I'm ready to post it to Facebook. You say something about the property, you adjust if you want it in your feed, your story, or both. I do both, and you're ready to post it. So how do you do this? It's actually pretty simple. You go up to your Chrome, you can only do this in Chrome, and you go to your extensions, and right here is the KVC extension within Chrome. So how did I get that? You go to your Chrome web store, and KVC is right there. If I wanted to remove it, I could, but I'm keeping it because I want to do these things. So once you have it loaded in, you just have to set the Craigslist URL, and you can see I have it right here. I set it as the URL. It's really that easy. As far as Facebook goes, you would go into your profile and then go into your settings. Right under here, under social media, you can see I have my Facebook in there. So that's how it knows where to post it. So go out there, post your listings out there, make yourself the presence of mind agent by reminding your sphere of influence that you are a realtor, you're active, and here's some great listings that we have. So I hope this is helpful. If you need help setting this up, reach out to me. I do one-on-one trainings. I also do a 12-week class where we go in and take a deep dive into all of the key aspects of running KVC. So I hope you found this useful. If you need help, just hit me up. Talk to you soon.